Shane, really exciting times. Only a few weeks away now from the 2D CNC, much anticipated open house. Shane, why should people come and attend this open house?
Well, for us, I mean, we're just really getting going again now. And the open house is really just going to cement us back on this backup map for manufacturing. There's a buzz around manufacturing. Mac was just a few weeks ago. Fantastic. And what we want to do is just show what 2D can offer existing customers as well as new customers as well.
And what can they offer? What's new?
Me. No, I'm kidding. So what you've got is we've got OKK machines, fantastic brands, Hyundai, Weir, Fairmat. We've got an whole range of machines from your very basic 2-axis lathes up to your big horizontal borers, and there's loads happening, including, I mean, we've got, God, I could talk for ages, couldn't I? You know, we've got automation, you know, with his partners and everything else. So it's really, really exciting times for us at the moment.
So how many machines have you got on site?
So we've got 5 in total. And what we've got is, as you can see, we've got the Hyundai lathe, which is going to be here. We've got a Fanuc robo drill with some automation on. An OKK, fantastic OK 5-axis machine, which is the first one in the UK, which we really, really want to push as well. The OKK brand is it's an IM brand, and I think it would be very good, especially if you're looking for aerospace type market, medical, automation on that machine as well, which could play key. If you've got long cycle times, you can have a good length of running on this.
So first in the country, OKK 5th axis. So that's one reason of many to come and visit this fantastic open house.
Yeah, absolutely. Fantastic machine, Jim.